Hello everyone. Today we will break down the June 2025 results of Jindal Poly Films Ltd. On the surface, the company is back in profit, but when we look deeper, the real story is a bit different. Let's go through it step by step. So, this quarter, the company reported 1083 crores in sales. Last quarter, it was 1420 crore. So, sales have actually fallen by about 24% quarter on quarter. Even compared to the same quarter last year, sales are down around 12%. So demand hasn't picked up strongly yet. Now, if we check the expenses, they were 1080 crore, almost the same as sales. That's why the operating profit is just 4 crore, which is practically break even. The operating margin comes out to 0%, down from 4% last quarter. So even though sales are in thousands of crores, the company is barely making anything from its core operations. If we see the other income this quarter, the company earned a big 166 crore from other income. Last quarter, other income was negative 101 crore. That swing of over 260 crore is what completely changed the picture and pushed the company back into profit. So after including other income, the company posted a net profit of 37 crore. Compare that to a loss of 179 crore last quarter. It looks like a big turnaround. But if we compare it with last year's June quarter, when net profit was 168 crore, this year's profit is almost 80% lower. So yes, profit is back, but it's much smaller than before. So if we put all these numbers together, sales are lower than last quarter. Operating margins are almost zero, and the profit we see is mainly because of other income, not the main packaging film business. That means the core business is still struggling and the company is depending on outside income to show profits. This is not the kind of recovery long term investors want to see. So, in the short term, results may keep swinging depending on other income. If it is high, profit looks good. If it drops, numbers can easily turn negative again. But in the long term, for a stable future, Jindal Poly Films has to improve its operating margins and keep raw material cost under control. That's the only way profits will be sustainable. So, yes, Jindal Poly Films is back in profit, but not because the business itself has become stronger. It's mainly due to other income this quarter. So, what do you think? Is this the start of a real recovery or just a temporary bounce? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.